Okay, let's stop this and let's go to the service and let's use a value decorator here. So here I'm going to add a property and I'm going to call it message. And I'm going to return that message here in this method. I need to use this. Okay, and here I need to also specify the type. This will be a string, and I'm going to use the value decorator. So this will be value, and the identifier for this value will be message. So this message will be the name of the property that I need to specify in a properties.json file that I'm going to create here. So let's create that file. This will be the default location for the properties file, properties.json. And I need to create the object, and the property will be message then, message. And I'm going to add the value. This will be hi. Okay, so let's run this again and let's see if it shows the message that we specified here. So let's clear this and let's run this again. Okay, let's go to Postman and let's try this. So I'm going to run this and here we get a 200, but we don't get the value. As we can see here, when we run the application with this properties file, it's going to say that properties.json could not be found or parsed. So I found that we need to add actually this entry, Mandarine. So now we'll be able to parse our property. It's a bit weird, but we need to at least include this property here. So I'm going to cancel this, clear, and run this again. And now we don't get this error message. It's parsing these properties JSON as we expect. And if we go to Postman and we run this, we should get I as the message. So let's clear this and let's change the property. Let's say hola, and let's run this again. And if we go to Postman and we run this again, we should get that message, hola. Great. Okay, and another middleware that we can use in our controller, let's go to the controller. So here we can use the session middleware. So we need to use the session decorator to access the value of that session. So this will be session, and here will be session, and the type will be any, like this. And here, for example, we can associate a counter to this session. So we can say if session, let's say times is undefined, we can initialize that value. This is times actually. So we can initialize this value with 0. So this is session.times equals to 0. And in the other case, we increment this value in 1. So session.times plus plus. And we can return this value just to see how it works. So we can pass it here. So we can concatenate the value here. We can say times, and we can use $sign and session.times. Like this. Okay, let's run this again. Let's go to Postman and let's run this. And as we can see here, we get hola and the number 1. This is the first time that we call this endpoint. So in this session, actually. So if I run this again, we're gonna get 2 and 3. And if we take a look here at the cookies, this session object is going to generate this cookie and the value will be encrypted here. That's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.